We're super hyped that you guys are here today to be joining us on this Atypical Athletics program. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe before we get into this workout. And in the first workout that we're going to be doing today, we're going to be doing the Spiderman rookie workout.
Yes.
This is a superhero themed workout that can be for kids, teenagers, adults, or anyone in between. Anyone who's starting to work out and wants to build up themselves into Spidey shape. So in the beginning of our Spider-Man themed superhero workout, we're going to be showing you guys how to do a simple push-up in this awesome tutorial. Let's get right into this.
All right, guys, so here to start off, we're going to do the basic push-up here. So, right, a fundamental exercise here, good to have in the toolbox, good to build upon, lots of different variations. But for now, we're going to start with the basics. We're going to get into the do's, the don'ts, and how to do everything correctly. All right, guys, so here we are, push-up, day one. We got Adam down on the ground here. He's going to demonstrate for us here. So a couple things that we want to remember, okay? Like I said, there's variations and we're going to go through all of them, okay? So fundamentally at the first level, we got our knees on the ground, and there's a couple things to remember here, and these are always stay the same with any push-up that we ever do, okay? And now first is arms. So you want the shoulders over the elbows, over the wrist at all times. Second is where we're looking. So Adam's eyes aren't going to be looking down at his belly button. They're not going to be looking out in front of him. They're always going to be, pick a spot 6 to 12 inches right out in front of you, and we're going to keep it there. Okay, so from this position, now we got Adam here, and what he's going to do is he's going to keep that core tight, always nice and tight. Glutes are firing, your booty, your butt, whatever you want to call it. All right, and you can have your feet up in the air, or you put them down, whatever's more comfortable for you. But those things are always going to be the same. So from here, Adam's going to go. He's going to drop his chest down to the ground while he's breathing in, breathing in, breathing in. Pushing that floor away, he's breathing out the whole way up. See, now Adam's got a nice straight line going from his head down to his knees here. Perfect form here. So this is what we're looking for, guys, anytime we're doing these exercises. The fundamental thing here is the form is key, all right? So remember that. So Adam's looking out, he's got his point picked out on the floor. His shoulders are over his elbows, are over his wrists. Glutes are firing, core is firing. So once you master this, you get up to, you can do 1, you can do 5. Once you get to 10 or more, steady like this, you're ready for the next level. Okay guys, so here's what this looks like from the front. Notice Adam's eyes, got his point picked out right in front of him on the floor there. Shoulders over elbows, over wrist. Breathe in as he goes, never holding his breath. Very important as well, guys. We never want to hold our breaths in these exercises. Breathing is important. Inhale on the out, exhale on the work, okay guys? His glutes are firing, his core is firing, and that's what we're looking like here, guys. Once you master this, we're on to the next. All right, guys, so we got through the first push-up variation from their knees, right? Fundamental, that's basic push-up that we're working on there. Now we're gonna move on to the next level advancement from there, and that's known as the plank push-up, right? We're gonna go from our feet. All right, guys, so we made it through the push-up from the knees. So the next variation we're gonna do is the plank push-up. So Adam's got his feet now, and his feet on the floor. Same thing here, guys. Those fundamental things. What are they? We'll tell you. All right, guys. So here we are. We're at the plank push-up now. Next variation up from the knee push-up. Like I said, once you master that knee push-up, this is where we're at next. Same principles, guys. So Adam's got the shoulders above the elbows, above the wrists. His core is tight. His glutes are tight, all the way down the bottom, just like a straight board, straight as a board here. Okay. Head's not looking up, head's not looking down, head's right now like in 6 to 12 inches in front of him. So from here, it's the same thing. He's lowering his chest to the floor, breathing in and breathing out as he pushes away from the floor. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, that whole time you notice as he keeps going, nothing changes. It's a straight line all the way from the heels of his feet to the head of the crown of his head. All the way from the heels of his feet to the crown of his head. Okay, so once you master this, if you can go 10 of these push-ups just like this, now you're on to the next one. All right, guys, so here's what it looks like from the front. Notice Adam's got his eyes fixed on the floor in front of him, not moving, head's not looking down, not looking up. His shoulders are stacked over his elbows, over his wrist at the top of the motion, straight like a board, perfect form. He's breathing in and breathing out every repetition, keeping everything nice and tight, digging those toes into the ground, looking great. All right, guys, so from our first video, we went through the fundamental basic push-up all the way from we started out with the knee. So we started out with the knees, And then once we master the knees, we can get 10 straight with the knees. We're gonna go to the plank push-up, right from the toes, okay? So we go from the knees, from the toes, and then from there, the push-up world opens up to you immensely, right? There's tons of different variations that we could do. We will show you in videos to come. So once you at home, you master these push-ups, you could do them in your bedroom, you could do them in the hallway, do them at the grocery store, do them at the library. We could do these things anywhere, right? So there's no excuse not to. And now you got the tools to use. And from there, we build upon and build upon, okay guys? So join us next time as we intro to new exercises.
That's right, guys. Yo, this has been Atypical Athletics. This has been Adam. This has been Anthony. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we are here to get you in Spidey shape. Be sure to drop that like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.